All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. All right. Welcome and welcome back to Brainy Bites tutorial. Okay. So, if this is your first time of coming across to this our YouTube channel, we're Brainy Bites tutorial. Okay. So, what we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB, admission, and WAEC and NECO and all of them. So, if you are any of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing update, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. Because here in this channel, I drop updates about schools. All right. So, and since you are any of these candidates, you need information. So it is important for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications so that when I drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you and be the first to check out the update. All right. So having said that, guys, let's get right to today's videos. Okay. A lot of time, some of my candidates has requested for this, and it's because of my busy schedule. I was supposed to have done this for a very long time now, but because of my busy schedule, I didn't have time to do all of this. But I've dedicated this few time to make sure I answer this question, because what I promised them is that whatever question I receive from them, I definitely have to come here to answer the question. So that everybody out there, we have to learn from there and also benefit from there as well. All right. So that's why you are one of us. Okay. So before I start, I'll be telling you guys the Nigerian institutions and their school fees. So it is important for you to know your school's tuition fees so that you don't go ahead and choosing institution that you don't know what their pay is like and what you are supposed to be expecting and what, like, so that you know your estimates when you are making your school preparations. All right. So it is important for you to stay from the beginning of this very video to the last very side of this very video. And if you can get pen and paper so that you can be able to get down or jot down the schools, or so that you pay attentively from the beginning to the very last side, so that you will know when I'm talking about your own institution, because I don't know your institution, so I'm just giving you the list. All right. So if your institution of choice is not among this video, you also let me know in the comment section. All right, so that I can consider doing another part of the video, because I didn't want this video to be very long. So that's why and of course, you know that this video will not compare will not contain all of the Nigerian institutions. All right. So that's why I have to do it like this, the way I did it. Okay. So the first one on our list is Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University. This university is located at Bauchi State. I believe that most of you guys know. All right. So this I'm going to tell you about this. The reason why this list I'm giving you, it's not as if it's 100% guarantee that that's what you are going to pay. All right. In some cases it might be higher, in some cases it might be lower. All right. It's not as if it's 100, so that you don't go there and start seeing another thing, you start complaining that, but I said no. Understand me very well now. I said this is just like a rough estimate. All right. So it's estimate. It's an estimate. So estimate, of course, you guys understand what estimate means. All right. So this is what you should be expecting. All right. It's not as if it's not as if that this is the current price. This is where the price is ranges from. All right. So the first one is Tafawa Balewa University, which is located at Bauchi State. Okay. Their tuition fees for freshers ranges from 44,000 to 250. These things I'm talking about is excluding acceptance fee. All right. So it's excluding acceptance fee. All right. So while the returning student pays 39,500. All right. So now we have the second one on our list, which is Air Force Institute of Technology, which is AFIT, Air Force Institute of Technology, which is located at Kaduna State. All right. So this thing, tuition fee for aerospace engineering student is about 135,500. Right. So while other engineering courses is about 120,500, then while non-engineering programs is about 106,000 naira. All right. So the next one is Ales Ekweme University, which is located at Ebonyi State. Okay, their freshers is for all faculties excluding engineering and the College of Medicine. Freshers for all faculties excluding engineering and College of Medicine is about 174,000. Right, it's about 174,000, and engineering is about 246,000. All right, so College of Medicine is about 630,000. Right, so we have engineering students levy additional, which is about 72,000. Okay, and medical students levy, which is about 200,000, and caution fee, which is about 20,000. All right, so why they are returning students, which is the people that have, like, people that is already in school, they are undergraduates. Okay, so they are returning students is all faculties about 210,100, excluding engineering and the College of Medicine. All right, so now engineering is for returning student is about 182,100, while College of Medicine is about 380,000. All right, engineering students levy is about 72,000, while medical student levy is about 200,000. Then caution fee still remains 20,000. Okay, so the next one there is Federal University of Petroleum Resources, EFRON, which is located at Delta State. So it is popularly known as FUPRI. Right, so FUPRI, Delta State. Okay, so their new student is 80,000 naira. All right, so while their returning student is about 37,050 naira. All right, for people that is doing their pre-degree program is 95,000. All right, and their acceptance fee is 45,000 naira. All right, so the next one is Federal University of Technology, Akure. All right, so their freshers, which is 100 level, is about 52,100. They are returning students from 200 and 500 level. Okay, so it's about 14,400. So why returning student 300 level is about 18,900. Okay, so the next one is Federal University of Technology, Mina. Okay, Federal University of Technology, Mina. Their freshers is about 61,200 naira. 61,200 naira. Then their returning students is about 28,200. All right, 28,200. So Federal University of Technology, which is the next one, Federal University of Technology, Owerri. Okay, for geology department level 1 is 90,800, both for level 2, 3 and 400. Now level 2, 3 and 400 is 35,800. Right, then level 500 is about 30,800. Right, so other departments level 1 is 88,300, level 2 and 3 is 33,300, then level 400 and 500 is about 28,300. Okay, the next one, which is Federal University Dutse, Jigawa State. Okay, pays 66,800. All right, so non-compulsory charges of 10,090 naira. So total charges of their total charges is about 76,890. Okay, Federal University is it Dodson Mina, right, Katsina State, is about 37,500. Okay, so now Federal University Kashere, Gombe State, is about 41,000 for their freshers. Then returning students 27,000. Their hostel maintenance allocation, hostel maintenance is about 20,000. Hostel maintenance is optional. Is basically for people that is living in the hostel, so it's optional. Right. So Federal University Lafia, year 1 is 50,000 naira. Then year 2, 3 and 4 is about 45,000. Okay, so now Federal University Lokoja, Kogi State, their Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences freshers is about 54,500. Then their returning students is about 46,500. Then for Faculty of Sciences, their freshers is about 55,500. Then their returning students is about 47,000. Then Federal University of Otueke, Bayelsa State, their freshers is about 71,500. For sciences, we have 81,500. Then education 71,500. Engineering 81,500. The management sciences 71,500. All right. So Federal University of Oyo Ekiti State, they are for Faculty of Humanities, Social Sciences, Education Management Sciences. Their freshers is about 99,000, while their returning students is about 40,000. The Faculty of Science, Agriculture, Engineering freshers is about 107,000. Then returning students about 48,000. The Federal University Wukari, Abi Taraba State, I don't know. So their science students for new students is about 43,500, while their returning is about 37,000. Then their non-science students is about 41,000, while their returning is about 34,500. Okay, the Federal University Benin Kebi, their fresher is about 63,500. Then while their returning students is about 40,000. Then the Federal University Zamfara, which is Gushua, Zamfara State, who have their new students about 39,500, while their returning is about 28,500. Then for Faculty of Humanities, Education, Art and Social Sciences is still 36,500. Returning students is also 25,000. Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta. Alright, so the alright, so their money is 72,750. Alright, 72,750. And all other courses is about 62,750 as well. Right, Michael Okpara, University of Agriculture, Omudike, Abia State. Their freshers acceptance fee is about 50,000. Another registration for freshers is about 61,000. Then while their returning student is about 58,500. The National Open University, okay, Lagos, is about 36,000 naira, while their returning is about 18,000. Nigerian Army University is about, for science is about, Borno State, for science is about 42,500. Their returning is about 35,000. Then for arts and social sciences, for the new candidate is about 37,500. Their return is about 30,000. Then accommodation is 8,000. Right, so Nigerian Defense Academy, Almighty NDA, Kaduna, is about 45,000 naira. Right, so Nigerian Maritime, Okeren Koko, Abi Okere wetin? Delta State. Alright, so is their new student, please don't mind me if I don't pronounce your state very well, please don't mind me, I'm not from there, so I don't know. So their new student is 51,500, while their returning students is about 40,500. Then Obafemi Awolowo University, their freshers for law, arts, social sciences, admin and education, right? Their money is 43,700. Then sciences, education is 54,700. Then medicine is about 57,700. Then development levy is about 18,000. Then tertiary institution student health insurance program is about 2,000. Then students welfare insurance scheme is about 1,000. The accommodation is about 3,000. Then returning undergraduate students is about 20,000. Then for arts, for science is about 28,000. Then for basic medical science is about 31,000. The accommodation is 2,590 naira. Penalty for late registration for courses is 2,000. Okay. So University of Abuja, Bagulada, is for biology and geography is about 42,300. Then other science courses is about 40,300. The non-science courses is about 39,300. The University of Benin for science fresher is about 73,400. Then the returning students is about 45,400. The non-science students is about 69,900. Then returning students is about 49,400 Nigerian naira only. All right, don't give them more than that. give them, when you are giving them, don't forget to put only. Right, so the next one is University of Calabar, which is probably known as Unica. Unica, their freshers is for sciences is about 35,250, while their returning students about 34,750. Then non-sciences is about 34,250. Returning students about 33,750. All this things I mentioned is excluding acceptance fee. All right, is excluding acceptance fee, so that you don't think that it's together with acceptance fee. It's excluding acceptance fee. The University of Ibadan is about 35,000 for acceptance fee. Then Faculty of Agriculture, Arts, is about 36,800. Faculty of Law 35,300. Faculty of Medicine 36,800. Faculty of Social Sciences 34,300. Faculty of Science 36,800 per semester. Alright, all this money is per semester. Of course, you know that this one is per semester. It's not that we have 2 semesters in 1 year. Right, the University of Ibadan, the price is now is per semester. Alright, so we have 2 semesters in 1 year. That simply means you multiply this money times 2, then you get the actual money. Alright, so we have Faculty of Science 36, Faculty of Sciences 46,800 per semester. Faculty of Technology 36,800 per semester. Faculty of Pharmacy 36,800. Faculty of Education 36,800. Right. University of Ilorin, which is located at Kwara State. New student pays 40,250. Returning student pays 37,800, excluding acceptance fee. University of Jos, new student pays 20,000 per semester. So you calculate 2 semesters in 1 year, you know the amount. Acceptance fee is 25,000. Returning students pays 45,000 per semester. The University of Lagos State, which is Unilag, new science students pays 63,500 naira. Alright, so new non-science students pays 53,500, while returning students 14,500. Right, so University of Maiduguri, the new student pays 33,000 per semester, while returning student pays 18,000 per semester. University of Nigerian Nsukka, the first year student pays 64,450. Second year students paid 45,750. Other years pays 40,650. Then final year student pays 43,000 naira, excluding acceptance fee. The University of Port Harcourt, Almighty Uniport. Previously, the acceptance fee is 30,000, but it has reduced. It's no longer 30,000 again. It has reduced. Right. So they pays 127,000. No. Arts currently now it pays about 180. Total everything will be about around 191,000 for 1 year. Right, that's what total everything will look like. 191,000 for arts. Alright, so why sciences is about 195,000, right, per 1 year, excluding medicine and all of them. Right, so returning student pays 45,000 naira per semester. Okay, that's you can pay 2 sessions, 45,000 naira per semester. 45, that's about 90,000 in 1 year. Okay, University of Uyo, Uniyo for year 1 pays 66,750. Year 2 pays 52,100. Year 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively pays 49,100. Okay, I believe this I will end this for today. So if you have anywhere you feel that I did not get it correctly, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Anywhere you feel that I did not get it correctly, let me know in the comment section. Alright, so thank you so much for being with me from the beginning to the very last side of this video. Alright, keep winning.